Software development is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Traditional methods struggle to keep up, leaving gaps in efficiency and quality. Automation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity to thrive in this dynamic environment. This video is brought to you by Business Compass, LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AI4U. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing or NLP services infused with Gen AI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have concept to code offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Test automation involves using software tools to execute tests automatically. Unlike manual testing, it offers speed and consistency. Tools like Selenium and Junit are popular choices, streamlining the testing process significantly. Automation differs from manual testing by reducing human error and increasing test coverage. It allows for repetitive execution without fatigue, ensuring more reliable results and faster feedback loops. Automation boosts testing efficiency and speed, allowing teams to focus on innovation. It enhances accuracy by minimizing human error, leading to more reliable software releases. Continuous integration and delivery are facilitated by automation, enabling rapid deployment cycles. This ensures that software updates reach users faster, maintaining competitive advantage. Many believe automation is prohibitively expensive, but the long-term savings outweigh initial costs. It's a strategic investment that pays off in efficiency and quality. Automation doesn't eliminate the need for manual testing. Instead, it complements it by handling repetitive tasks, allowing testers to focus on complex scenarios. Contrary to popular belief, automation isn't just for large companies. Small teams can also benefit by choosing scalable tools that fit their specific needs. Integrating automation into your workflow starts with assessing your current process. Identify repetitive tasks that can be automated to save time and resources. Choosing the right tools is crucial. Consider your team's expertise and project requirements to select tools that align with your goals. Training your team is essential for successful implementation. Upskilling ensures everyone is equipped to leverage automation effectively, maximizing its benefits. Adopting automation comes with challenges like resistance to change and technical hurdles. Address these by fostering a culture of innovation and continuous learning. Real-world examples show that overcoming these obstacles leads to successful automation. Companies that persist see improved efficiency and product quality. Emerging trends in automation include AI and machine learning, which enhance testing capabilities. These technologies predict issues and optimize test coverage. Automation will continue to shape software development, driving innovation and efficiency. Staying ahead of these trends ensures your team remains competitive. Start small with automation and scale gradually. This approach allows you to manage risks and learn from initial implementations, setting a strong foundation. Set clear goals and measure success to track progress. This ensures your automation efforts align with business objectives and deliver tangible results. Encourage your team to embrace automation for better results. By fostering a culture of innovation, you'll unlock new possibilities and drive success. Recap: we've explored the necessity of test automation, its benefits, and how to implement it. By embracing automation, you enhance efficiency and stay competitive. Call to action: take the first step today. Identify a process to automate and begin your journey towards a more efficient and innovative workflow.